You study English, but you forget it. You learn words. They disappear. You practice today. Tomorrow feels empty. This is very common. You are not weak. Your brain is normal. English words do not stay alone. A word alone is easy to forget. Your brain removes unused things. This is how the brain works. It saves energy. Today, we solve one problem. We stop forgetting English. We use simple daily practice. No rules, no grammar. We use repetition. We use context. We use calm listening. First, understand this. Your brain remembers use, not information. A single word is weak. Listen. Cold. Repeat. Cold. Now listen again. Cold weather. Repeat. Cold weather. Another one. Cold coffee. Repeat. Cold coffee. Another one. My hands are cold. Repeat. My hands are cold. Do you feel the difference? The word now has a home. This is the secret. Words need a home. A sentence is a home. We do this every day. Small sentences, many times. Now we start simple. We use daily words, easy words. Listen. Morning. Repeat. Morning. Now give it a home. Good morning. Repeat. Good morning. Another home. I wake up in the morning. Repeat. I wake up in the morning. Now the word stays. Your brain understands. This word is useful. It keeps the word. Now we practice again. Listen. Eat. Repeat. Eat. Now in a sentence. I eat breakfast. Repeat. I eat breakfast. Another one. I eat at home. Repeat. I eat at home. The word becomes strong. This is daily practice. Very simple. Very powerful. Now we slow down. We repeat again. Listen. I study English every day. Repeat. I study English every day. Again. I study English every day. Repeat again. I study English every day. Now the sentence stays. We are building habits. English habits. Now we move to evening. Listen. I go home. Repeat. I go home. Listen. I eat dinner. Repeat. I eat dinner. Listen. I relax. Repeat. I relax. Now connect them. Listen. I go home. I eat dinner. I relax. Repeat. I go home. I eat dinner. I relax. This feels natural. That is the goal. Now we add feeling again. Listen. I feel sleepy. Repeat. I feel sleepy. Now connect. I go home. I feel sleepy. Repeat. I go home. I feel sleepy. Now English has life. Emotion helps memory. Now we move to daytime. Listen. I work. Repeat. I work. Another one. I study. Repeat. I study. Another one. I rest. Repeat. I rest. These words are simple, but very strong. Now give them homes. Listen. I work in the afternoon. Repeat. I work in the afternoon. Another one. I study English. Repeat. I study English. Another one. I rest at home. Repeat. I rest at home. Now your brain connects time and action. This is how memory works. Now listen carefully. We repeat on purpose. Listen. I study English every day. Repeat. I study English every day. Again. I study English every day. Repeat again. I study English every day. Now the sentence stays. We are building habits. English habits. Now we move to evening. Listen. I go home. Repeat. I go home. Listen. I eat dinner. Repeat. I eat dinner. Listen. I relax. Repeat. I relax. Now connect them. Listen. I go home. I eat dinner. I relax. Repeat. I go home. I eat dinner. I relax. This feels natural. That is the goal. Now we add feeling again. Listen. I feel tired. Repeat. I feel tired. Now connect. I go home. I feel tired. Repeat. I go home. I feel tired. Now English has life. Now nighttime. Listen. I watch TV. Repeat. I watch TV. Listen. I use my phone. Repeat. I use my phone. Listen. I go to bed. Repeat. I go to bed. Now connect. Listen. I watch TV. I use my phone. I go to bed. Repeat. I watch TV. I use my phone. I go to bed. Now final sentence. Listen. I go to bed at night. Repeat. I go to bed at night. Good. You did something important. You repeated simple English. You used daily life. You gave words a home. This is why you forget English. You learn words alone. This is why we stop forgetting. We learn words in sentences. Now your task. Tomorrow, say 3 sentences in English. Morning, afternoon, night. Simple sentences. Write 1 sentence in the comments. Any sentence is good. Subscribe to the channel. We practice English daily. Slowly, calmly, together. Now we go deeper. You already used English today. You did not study rules. You lived English. Now we make memory stronger. We use small changes. Your brain likes patterns, but it also likes variation. Listen. I drink coffee in the morning. Repeat. I drink coffee in the morning. Now a small change. I drink tea in the morning. Repeat. I drink tea in the morning. The structure stays. The word changes. Your brain stays active. Now another example. Listen. I eat breakfast at home. Repeat. I eat breakfast at home. Small change. I eat lunch at home. Repeat. I eat lunch at home. Same home, new time. This is smart repetition. Not boring, not stressful. Now we use questions. Questions wake the brain. Listen. Do I work today? Repeat. Do I work today? Another one. Do I study English today? Repeat. Do I study English today? Now answer quietly in your mind. Yes, I do. Or no, I do not. Now we connect question and answer. Listen. Do I study English today? Yes, I do. Repeat. Do I study English today? Yes, I do. This builds memory fast. Now we move to short stories. Very short. 3 sentences. Listen. It is morning. I wake up. I feel sleepy. Now repeat. It is morning. I wake up. I feel sleepy. This is a story. Your brain loves stories. Another one. Listen. It is afternoon. I work. I feel busy. Repeat. It is afternoon. I work. I feel busy. Good. Another one. Listen. It is evening. I go home. I relax. Repeat. It is evening. I go home. I relax. These stories stay longer. Now we add choice. Choice makes memory strong. Listen. I cook dinner. Or I order food. Now repeat. I cook dinner. I order food. Choose one in your mind. That is your sentence. Now another choice. Listen. I watch TV. Or I read a book. Repeat. I watch TV. I read a book. Again, choose one. Now English becomes personal. Personal English stays. Now we slow down again. Repetition matters. Listen. I study English every day. Repeat. I study English every day. Again. I study English every day. Repeat again. I study English every day. This sentence is a habit. Now we add feeling. Listen. I feel calm. Repeat. I feel calm. Connect. I study English. I feel calm. Repeat. I study English. I feel calm. This removes fear. Now we work with mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Listen. I make mistakes. Repeat. I make mistakes. Another sentence. That is okay. Repeat. That is okay. Connect. I make mistakes. That is okay. Repeat. I make mistakes. That is okay. This sentence is important. Now we move to memory repair. When you forget, you say this. Listen. I forgot the word. Repeat. I forgot the word. Next sentence. I try again. Repeat. I try again. Connect. I forgot the word. I try again. Repeat. I forgot the word. I try again. This keeps you going. Now we move to night thoughts. Quiet thoughts. Listen. It is night. I feel tired. Repeat. It is night. I feel tired. Another sentence. I go to bed. Repeat. I go to bed. Another one. I sleep. Repeat. I sleep. These close the day. Now final daily story. Listen carefully. It is morning. I wake up. I drink coffee. It is afternoon. I work. I feel busy. It is evening. I go home. I relax. It is night. I go to bed. I sleep. Excellent! You did not forget English. You repeated it, you used it, you gave it meaning. This is the secret. Do not chase words. Use sentences every day. Now your task. Tomorrow, say 3 sentences in English. Morning, afternoon, night. Simple sentences. Write 1 sentence in the comments. Any sentence is good. Subscribe to the channel. We practice English daily. Slowly, calmly, together.